Strictus is our approach to skin tightening. Now, the biggest problem with skin is actually laxity. If you think about it, as you age, your face deflates, your fat pads migrate downward, you have the jowling, you have the folds and wrinkles. If you actually look at your decolletage with aging, you get fine lines and wrinkles. Even your boobs may not be as pert as they used to be. Then you've got like the wrinkling happening in your elbows and knees. If you've lost weight or gained weight, you might notice some laxity in your abdominal area. So the biggest problem with skin is actually aging. And how do we treat that? It depends how comfortable you are. So we can either take your virginity, i.e. in this area we can do a facelift, face and neck lift, we can have 100% tightening. Then we can do surgical thread lifts, which will give you 90% tightening. And then we can do contouring work or micro contouring work, which injects on the periosteum without inflating your face. And this will give you 80% tightening. However, if you're uncomfortable with invasive procedures such as this, we can maintain your virginity and we can use medical grade machinery such as thermage, HIFU, soft wave. You've got Ulthera, you've got Morpheus 8. Unfortunately, there's only one or two that I actually like because a lot of them destroy your fat pads. And think about it, if I destroy your fat pads, what happens to skin? It hangs, it becomes like a deflated balloon. So be very careful of the modality that you're choosing and be very careful of what the practitioner tells you in the long term. Because when we take someone who's had Ulthera, HIFU, or Morpheus 8 and we take their twin sister, we notice that they age a lot more because the fat pads have been destroyed. So it deflates. Whereas thermage is one and done. It works on the hypodermis, it works on the fat pad to remodel without destroying you. So that will give you 56% tightening. And then you've got prescription grade skin programs such as Ego that can actually give you 20 to 30% tightening. So between 50% plus 20 to 30%, you can have skin tightening for 70 to 80% and maintain your virginity. Why I prefer thermage is basically because you're one and done and you can go and get on with your life with no downtime. You can leave a face looking exactly the same, but lifted and contoured, and this continually improves. Now it is painful, so we do give you a tablet to make you a little bit happy and high. And then you do notice immediately they might show you half your face lifted or whatever area you're treating, because remember, skin is a big organ, so it can treat any area of laxity as well. You can continue the cellular regeneration with exosome stem cells, with fractal ablative laser, with Ego. So this is why I prefer thermage over all the other skin modalities, or skin tightening modalities. However, like I did mention before, we do have all the other modalities here, and we tend to say if you're less than 35, you can use Morpheus 8 on your body. We won't allow you to use it in your face because it's unforgiving. We can use soft wave on your body as well, but we've noticed that the results don't last as long, but as long as you're comfortable with that.